Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP on MetaMask. It is important to understand that native XRP operates on its own blockchain, the XRP ledger, which is separate from ethereum. Therefore, you cannot directly hold or transact native XRP using your MetaMask wallet. However, there is a widely used solution, Wrapped XRP or WXRP. This token allows you to interact with XRP's value on Ethereum-compatible networks, making it accessible through MetaMask. MetaMask is specifically designed to manage assets on the Ethereum virtual machine and other compatible networks. The XRP ledger, where native XRP resides, is a completely different blockchain architecture. This fundamental difference means your MetaMask wallet cannot directly interact with or hold native XRP. Attempting to send native XRP to an Ethereum address associated with your MetaMask wallet will unfortunately lead to the permanent loss of your funds, so please be very careful. The solution for using XRP's value with MetaMask is Wrapped XRP or WXRP. This is an ERC20 token that lives on Ethereum-compatible blockchains. Each WXRP token is backed one-to-one by native XRP held in reserve, ensuring its value parity. This wrapping process allows XRP to become compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, opening up possibilities for trading and decentralized finance applications within your MetaMask wallet. To acquire WXRP, first ensure your MetaMask wallet is funded with an appropriate cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum or a stablecoin like USD. Next, connect your MetaMask to a reputable decentralized exchange that supports WXRP trading. You will then be able to swap your existing crypto for Wrapped XRP. Remember to confirm you are on an Ethereum-compatible network, such as the Ethereum mainnet or Polygon, before executing your trade.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.